Guys, and welcome back to Bookop Entertainment. So, Gulam on social media has somehow managed to find a video for Julius Malema's mansion. So, let us see this video here.
Right. Right.
The video there, as you saw Gulam walking across that house there, with this, as he's describing, the heavily fortified black wall, around the block, along that black wall. But obviously, what do you expect, from the leader of the EFF, in as much as he's advocating, for the workers' rights, everything, about the poor black people. You can't expect him, to be living at Hillbrow or any other poor place out there. He's obviously has to live somewhere where he is safe. So what this guy Gulam here is talking about, I'm not buying it. I mean, this is like expecting, maybe the president of the country to live in a poor area, because he is saying he's going to improve the lives of the poor people. It does not work that way. You can even go to church, those who are at the top, the bishops, they drive these fancy, huge cars, whilst the congregates, would be going home with public transport. I mean, that's how these things really are. Because the only problem that would have been there is if Julius Malema himself, had claimed that he lives in a poor place, in a small house, etc. He's never said any of that, or made any of those claims. So I'm not buying, what Gulam is talking about here. I'll catch you guys on the next one.